Shelby, so you've driven it a little spiritedly. What do you think of the car?
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James, and as you can tell, we got the whole family here. That's right, and we got the Shelby. That's right, we got the 500 in the background. If you guys did not know, I named my daughter Shelby after Carol Shelby, and we felt it was only right that Shelby drives Shelby. What do you think, Shelby? Yeah. Think you should do this? Yeah. All right, so we're in a big church parking lot. We're gonna throw Shelby in the Shelby. We're gonna get some video clips of her driving this bad boy around. Let me flip this camera around. Let me show you what we got going on. Sorry the car's a little dirty. We do live on a dirt road.
Okay. Ready? All right, go.
Just floor it?
Don't floor it, just give us some gas. Okay, stop. Slow down.
Can I hear it again?
Yes. Go. All right, Shelby, so you've driven it a little spiritedly. What do you think of the car?
That was cool.
Yeah?
Fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think of the brakes?
It's like when you even push them a little bit, it's like shing.
Right? Okay. All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Slow down.
Oh my.
I love how you can hear the supercharger as she goes by. I think that thing sounds so sweet. It's one of the first ones I've actually heard the car from the outside going by.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm the one riding with Shelby. And she's doing really, really good so far. You want to do it one more time? Okay. I don't think she was quite expecting that, Shelby. Huh?
Oh my god, it scared me.
So what do you think there, Shelby? You like the Shelby?
Yeah. Scared me.
Scared you? What, you got a little bit of power?
Tires squeaked.
Yeah, they squeaked. That's normal.
It's called breaking the tires loose.
Yep.
Hey, you want to keep driving it for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we going for another couple more rounds?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, we can go up to this light pole, and then I want you to start shutting it down. Okay. You could have kept it going a little bit.
All right, go for it. All right, you guys, Sassy's gonna do one more pass. Then we're gonna call it a night. We don't wanna upset the neighbors. Let's see what she's got for us here. Go for it, Shorty, hit it. Here we go. Ha-ha! There she goes. There she goes, all right. Well, Sassy, what'd you think about your time driving the Shelby?
I loved it.
Any last words?
Well, the brakes were just spot on. When I needed to stop, it was like, skirt. Just, you didn't roll or anything, you just dead stopped.
Right.
It was fun driving it Spiritedly.
Right.
Knowing that you can get it up to a good high speed is just fun.
All right, well, you heard it here, ladies and gentlemen. Shelby approves of the 2020 Shelby GT500. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.
Peace.